So the question is, do breast implants increase your risk of breast cancer? The answer is no. Having breast implants does not increase your risk of breast cancer. Women with breast implants have the same overall risk or incidence of breast cancer as the general population of women without breast implants. As a matter of fact, having breast implants sometimes can improve the detection of breast cancer because, especially when the implants are placed behind the muscle, the implants themselves are pushing the breast tissue forward, and sometimes imaging of the breast with mammography can be easier. So, breast cancer detection can sometimes be improved with the presence of implants, but definitely the incidence of breast cancer does not increase with breast implants. So it's important to know that if you have breast implants, your risk of breast cancer will remain the same as if you didn't. While breast implants are not associated with an increased risk of breast cancer, one thing that I should mention is the association of textured implants with something called breast implant associated large cell lymphoma. Now that's a rare entity. I have not seen a case in my practice yet. And according to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, it's about 1 in 4,000 cases up to 1 in 30,000 cases. But again, this is an entity that's associated with textured implants, which sometimes can develop a fluid collection around the implant. And when that fluid is sampled, large cell lymphoma cells have been found. Removing the implant, removing that fluid deals with the problem, but there have been reported cases of implants left in place and the patients going on to develop actual lymphoma. So this is a very rare entity. It's something that patients should be aware of and something that I discuss with them at the time of the consultation. But again, it's not something that I've seen in my practice yet, thank goodness, but something that we're very aware of. But going back to the original question, breast implants themselves are not associated with an increased risk of breast cancer, but can be related, especially textured implants, with this entity called breast implant associated large cell lymphoma. So something to be aware of. Thanks for tuning in to Body by Poly. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and follow along on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, or Spotify. See you next time.